In part exchange, direct off the last owner, beautiful Volvo V40 SE LUX navigation. Finished in titanium grey metallic. Great looking car, great value for money. £2,500 worth of factory fitted options. Registered in March 2014 on a 14 plate. Just 2 owners from new. The last owner bought it when it was approximately 13 months old. 1.6 diesel engine, 6-speed manual gearbox, 115 brake horsepower. And according to Volvo, 83.1 miles per gallon combined. Wow, 83.1. Amazing miles per gallon. And free road tax, would you believe it? Free road tax. Yep, you not misheard me there. So D2 engine. Loading area nice and clean. Good sized boot, split folding rear seats. You've got this false floor on there, so you've got additional storage under there, so you can hide bits and pieces under there, or you can take the top shelf out to give you additional height. Space saver wheel, complete toolkit, all there complete. All the bodywork is in lovely condition. Multi-spoke alloy wheels, again all in great condition. No major damage or chunks out of any of those. Again all down the bodywork, nice and straight. No major dents, scratches, scuffs anywhere on there. And again the front wheels all in good condition. Headlight power washers. Again no major chips. Of course it is a used car, there's the odd 1 or 2 stone chip to go with the age and the mileage, but again no major scrapes anywhere at all. We do the videos to give you an honest opinion of the car, so you've got nothing left to chance. It's got this beautiful two-tone trim, full beige leather trim, in great condition. Lovely soft leather, undamaged, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Nice and clean, very airy inside. Just lifts the interior. Again all the front trims in great condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Got folding mirrors too. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Again all the upholstery at the front. Again in great condition, no major wear or damage or rips or tears or burns or anything in there. One centre armrest, USB input, nice cup holders there. Again all the passenger seat trims, door trims, dashboard trim, great condition. Mileage of 76354, that's what it's done, 76354. You've got the BLIS system, which is the blind spot elimination on there, so nice little feature there safety wise. Great stereo system on it. Satellite navigation, nice clear screen. Dual zone climate control, heated seats. Just showing the positions of the heated seats, you've got 3 positions on there. Bluetooth phone connection, cruise control speed limiter, again just shows on the dashboard. You've also got voice activation, just make it a little bit easier and safer.
Commonly used commands are go to, cancel guidance, repeat instruction. To cancel, say cancel.
It's a nice safe way to get the navigation to work or change stations or the Bluetooth phone. As I mentioned, you've got the folding mirrors too. So there we have it, beautiful Volvo V40 SE navigation, £2,500 worth of factory fitted options, 83 plus miles per gallon, free road tax. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist cars based in Stoke on Trent, a multi-award-winning dealer. If you need any further information or more personalised video to show you any aspects of the vehicle much closer up, we're happy to send that over to you at any time. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 straight off our website to make sure nobody else beats you to it. And remember our full money back guarantee. Reserve this car for £250, and if you come to collect it or to view it and you don't feel the car is described correctly, we'll refund you your money back, no questions asked. Multi-award winning dealer, Specialist Cars, Stoke on Trent. The phone number again 01782 822 700. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.